To make smartphone calls from Podio, you need to install the Chrome extension. So go to smrtphone.io, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see in this lower area to the right a link for the Chrome extension. It's on the dashboard. So we click here to go to the Chrome extension page, then click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension, and then it'll be installed. There are no options to set up with this Chrome extension, it just runs as is. We click here and go into options, we'll show you that there's nothing to set up, which is great, makes it easier. And if we go to Podio, I'll go to my SI Lead Manager workspace where I've installed the smartphone apps. Go into contacts, and then you'll see here, after we enter in a contact, the call with smartphone link next to a phone number. So if we click on the link, we can see that it'll start making the phone call. It'll jump to smartphone. In this example, I'm just hanging up, and then we'll finalize the call. Here you can add notes about the call and then set what happened with the call. And then that's how you make a phone call from Podio using smartphone.